everyone, it's Lorraine here. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the Chainless Foundation single crochet, that's if you use US terms, or the Chainless Foundation double crochet if you use US terms. So this is a great stitch to use at the beginning of your project if you've got a long chain and it's going to be fiddly working back into that chain and difficult to count, or if you want a stretchier stitch. So for instance, this here is 20 stitches of 21 chains followed by 20 SC into that chain, and it's quite an unstretchy stitch, whereas this one is the foundation single crochet and it's a much bouncier, stretchier stitch. So if you're making a garment and you maybe you're working bottom up and you don't want a tight band at the bottom for getting over your head, then this can be a really good stitch to use. So I'll just move those out of the way and I'll show you that now. So we start by chaining 2 and then we place your hook through the first chain, so the second chain from hook, and yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, and normally you would yarn over and pull through 2 for a single crochet, but we're going to yarn over and pull through 1, and that creates the chain, the equivalent of your row of chains, the chain at the bottom of your stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2, and that creates your single crochet. So from here on in now, we're going to work into that V here that we've just created at the bottom of the previous stitch. So we place our hook through both legs of the V, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. I'll do that again. So you turn it over, you see that V there at the bottom, place your hook through both legs, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're kind of working vertically up this like little ladder. So again, into the V at the bottom of the previous stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and you just work that for as many stitches as you require to start your project. And that's really all there is to it. You can do the same for half double crochet, any length of stitch, just have more starting chains, and there's a big chunky version of what you get, and it's a nice stretchy stitch. Hope that's helpful. Happy crocheting!